Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the class studio. Today we learn 5th Standard English, Unit 4, The Boss Who Cares. Comprehension and Vocabulary. Vocabulary. V1. Choose the opposites of the following words from those given in brackets. First one, never, always. Second one, remember, forget. Third one, happy, sad. Fourth one, finish, start. Fifth one, quiet, remain. V2. State whether the following statements are true or false. First one, Dr. Abdul Kalam is presently the President of India. Is that true? No, it's false. Second one, he took care of all the scientists. True. Third one, he visited the exhibition because he liked it. False. Fourth one, the scientists were very happy to work under him. Right. Fifth one, Tumba is in Karnataka. False. Now start the comprehension. C1. Answer the following questions in a sentence or two each. First one. How many scientists were there at Tumba Space Center? The answer is, at Tumba Space Center, there were about 70 scientists. Second one. What made them restless? The answer is, they were all involved in developing rockets. This was an adventurous task, and this took that a lot of time. There was so much of work that really made them restless. Third one. Where did one of the scientists want to take his children? The answer is, scientists want to take children to exhibition. Fourth one. At what time was he permitted to leave? The answer is, he was permitted to leave the office at 5:30 in the evening. Fifth one. When did scientists leave the office? The answer is, scientists left the office at 8:30 in the evening. Sixth one. How did his wife react when he entered the house? The answer is, she reacted calmly. Seventh one. What did she ask him? The answer is, she asked, would you like to have a cup of coffee, or shall I straight away serve dinner if you are hungry? 8.1. Where were the children? The answer is, children went to exhibition with boss. 9th one. Who had taken them to the exhibition? The answer is, the boss had taken them to the exhibition. 10th one. Who was the boss? The answer is, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. C2. Discuss with your friends and answer the following questions in 5 to 6 sentences each. First one. What do you understand by it took a lot of time? Explain. The answer is, they were all involved in developing rockets. This was an adventurous task, and this took a lot of time. Second one. What do you think the scientist thought on the way back home? The answer is, the scientist was feeling guilty for having disappointed his children and wondered how he would pacify his wife. Third one. When the scientist returned home, his wife was very calm. The scientist did not expect this. Why? The answer is, he did not take children to exhibition. He expected his wife would be angry and quarrel, and the children would have cried in disappointment. What do you want to say about the boss? The answer is, the boss was very understanding and treated all the scientists as his own family. Next heading, L1. Fill in the blanks with the correct verb forms of the words given in brackets. First one, Dr. Abdul Kalam was the President of India. Second one, under the leadership of Dr. Abdul Kalam, India's missile program developed well. Third one, Dr. Abdul Kalam said that the youth should dream of a developed India. Fourth one, dreams must be fulfilled through hard work. Fifth one, Dr. Abdul Kalam worked hard as a student. Thus the comprehension is completed, children. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.